Inside Sobhita Dhulipala's style diary, saris, gilded gowns, and quite luxury. Sobhita Dhulipala's impeccable fashion pics have always left her fans swanning. Here is a look at some of her best fashion moments. Actress Sobhita Dhulipala never misses an opportunity to turn heads with her ever-evolving style that beautifully balances quiet luxury with bold confidence. The actress was recently spotted at Akhil Akinini and Zainab Ravdji's wedding reception. Into Sobhita Dhulipala style, the actress turned in a vibrant red sari that she had paired with a sheer blouse that was dripping in pearls, while the red sari, with its minimal embroidery detailing on the hemline, exuded quiet luxury. The sheer halt neck bejeweled blouse was a statement in itself. Whether it is experimental draping, contemporary tailoring, or traditional craft elevated with a modern twist, Sobhita Dhulipala's fashion choices have consistently reflecting thought, intent, and individuality. Here is a look at some of her standout fashion moments, gilded glam in Rahul Mishra. For her appearance at a luxury hair care brand launch in Mumbai, Sobhita Dhulipala opted for a gilded look by Rahul Mishra. The intricately hand-embroidered resurgence gown from the designer's Spring 2025 quarter collection, the pale blue dot, which debuted at Paris Hot Quarter Week, was crafted in our 1,600 hours at the designer's Noida atelier. The gown featured cascading brass leaves, bringing a touch of theatrical flair, while traditional Indian embroidery was elevated with shimmering glass bugle beads, mother of pearl essence, and metallic sequins. Sobhita Dhulipala embodied ethereal glamour, radiant, regal, and every bit the quarter goddess. Clistire glint in Rohit plus Rahul Khanna for a jewelry campaign that called for a hint of ethereal allure. Sobhita Dhulipala mesmerized in a seaweed olive gown by Rohit Gandhi plus Rahul Khanna, handcrafted with intricate silver and olive sequin grates, delicate crystal embellishments, and soft turquoise detailing. The gown shimmered against sheer tulle, a pleated cap, and a trailing silk organza fringe brought fluidity and drama, while the structured silhouette offered a perfect harmony of boldness and grace. Styled with a sleek bun and understated makeup, the look was both clear and grounded, much like Sobhita Dhulipala herself. Supershine in Arpita Mehta while promoting Ponniyin Selvan to Sobhita Dhulipala channeled effortless elegance in a hand-embroidered georgette sari set by Arpita Mehta, adorned with subtle cream and sand-hued golden prints and layered accents. The ensemble was paired with a maize embroidered blouse that added texture and intrigue. Oxidized silver jewelry complemented the earthy palette, while soft waves and minimal neutral tone makeup let her quiet poise shine through, proof that true elegance speaks in whispers, not volume. Quite a luxury in Manish Malhotra for Waves 2025. Sobhita Dulipala chooses stunning olive green tissue sari by Manish Malhotra. The lightweight fabric, known for its delicate sheen, was brought to life with intricate floral embroidery that shimmered beautifully under the lights, lending her an almost clear glow. She paired it with a matching blouse featuring cap, sleeves, embroidered accents, and a refined high neckline, adding a touch of understated royalty to the ensemble. The result was a look that blended classic elegance with Sobhita Dulipala's signature quiet power. Modern elegance in Tarun Thaliani for her post-wedding cocktail story. Sobhita Dulipala chose a striking Tarun Thaliani ensemble. She executed modern elegance in a signature sculpted draped gown that hugged her frame with effortless grace. Completing the look were statement TT jewels and a matching TT clutch, adding just the right touch of glamour to her intimate celebration. Thank you for watching Showbiz International News. Please subscribe Showbiz International News for updating news and more informations.